Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a delicious avocado salad. These ingredients are my favorite to make this salad. If you haven't tried this, then you should and you will want to make it several times afterwards. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love delicious recipes. I will start by chopping my red bell pepper into small pieces. I like red bell pepper a lot. They are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Then I'm going to slice up my one whole cucumber. Now I'm going to chop 2 fresh tomatoes. You can also add cherry tomatoes if you want. I love avocado so much. I'm going to use 2 of it in this salad. The dressing for this salad is very easy. I will add fresh lemon juice, Don't forget to use sharlot onion because it gives the salad extra flavor. Then add extra virgin olive oil, a little bit salt, and black pepper. Then just mix everything together. I'm very excited to taste it. This salad is very delicious, very refreshing. If you enjoy this recipe, give me thumbs up. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.